Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Char and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to be back doing videos, but first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for your prayers, your kind words, your emails, your phone calls. Oh my God, I am just, you guys don't just, what I'm trying to say is you guys don't know how much it really means to me that you reached out to check on me. It really put a smile on my face, especially on the days when I was really, was really down. And each day is getting better for me. I still am doing a lot of soul searching and being a little nervous about my health, but I got to continue to move on. And again, thank you all for all your prayers and your concerns. You guys are truly, truly the best. So, such beautiful hearts. And I appreciate that so much. And I'm glad to say that for the last week I have been trying to craft, but it was really hard for me. So I just kind of pushed through it because this hand here is really like the nerve from like here all the way to here. It hurts me so bad, but I still was exercising, pushing through. Like right now, it just hurts me. I feel like I'm being shot going through my hand. But I'm just gonna push through it, and deal with the pain until I'm able to get it back right. But yeah, but I love you guys and thanks so much. And I want to show you guys what I've been oh, sorry for shaking the camera. I wanted to show you guys what I was crafting. And let me just say this, for those of you who are waiting for your winnings from the Christmas in July collab, I'm definitely going to try to get it out this week. It's just that I just been running a little behind because of the illness. But moving forward, I got inspired by the beautiful Carolina Creations. I've been watching a lot of YouTube since I couldn't craft or anything, and she was they had a Christmas, what would you call it, Christmas in July YouTube gift idea, and all of the creators on that collab were just outstanding. I was inspired by each and every one of them. But with Carolina's creativity was just really, really cute. She called these, she had about 4 or 5 items. But this one particular item she called the Forever Rocher Nugget Hat. It was too cute. So I did have a few like yarns or whatever. I had like a pink and a white. That's all I had. And I said, well, let me try it since I'm just sitting here trying to get my hand to work correctly because I am right-handed. So I'll show you the little hat. And you put a Forever Rocher in there. Isn't this adorable? It is too cute. So easy to make. Just too cute. Too cute. And like I said, I just had the pink and the white yarn, and you just decorate it, and you just put anything on them. Let's see how I can make. Well, I'll put them like that. And then this here, this one, they are so cute. And then this one here, I put washi tape around it. I use some Dollar Tree stuff, some cutouts that I got off the internet, and again some washi tape. And yeah, so I have made these. I think I made one more, but I put in the thing. So what she did was, she said you could do them by themselves, which she had made like a little box. This one is in a box here, an acetate box, and I've just put a top on it. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. And then there's one I made, like you can use it, how she put it. She said you can use it as a topper for, let me take it out of here, for anything. Well, she had it like on a bubble bath bottle. You can see how it is in here. This is nail polish. And then I got a little charm hanging from there. Let me try to prop it up. Here's one here I made in black. The girls saw me making them, and they had did a run to Walmart and got me some more color yarn. So I thought they were really, really cute. Let's see. And I could put like this pink one here. And you can put them on anything like nail polish. Hold on, let me set this right. I'm sorry, guys. I'm all out of touch with what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, now, there we go. And then this one here is so cute with the silver. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. You can look stocking stuffers, or you could use them for a craft fair. And then once you do that, they actually ornaments. You can hang them on your Christmas tree. See how they look hanging? That is so cute, right? Or she had like a bubble bath bottle, but I got a water bottle here. It sits like on top of it. It is really, really cute, aren't they? They so cute. Yes, I just want to come in and show this quick project share. They're very easy to make. You probably can, because I really can't do the tutorial, but you just take a 5 1/4 inch of this paper here, and you fold it, circle. You know, you use a cylinder knob. You could use a, she used what you call those, styrofoam balls, or egg thing. I just used this all that I had. I wrapped it around here and glued it, and then you take your yarn. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave her tutorial down in there, but you need about 30 strips of this, and it should be about 8 inches long. And you just take it through, and you feed it through like this. Go all the way around. And of course, she had different color coordinated. Hold on, guys, I can't get this right. Give me 1 second. I'm going to do one right quick if I can. Not a quick tutorial, but it's just really, really simple. And you can go over there and see what she's doing. You cut these strips. It's like 30 of them. And you just fold them in half. And this here is like your cylinder, your circle. And you feed it through here. Bring it in. See, it's so hard for me with this nerve in my hand. It's like, but anyway, it goes around like this, and you do them like this all the way around. It goes all the way around, and then once you're done with it, you just twist them all in one bump and push them back through here. And you just gather them all up and put a string around them. Tie them in a rope. You know, tie them a string. And yeah, so they're very pretty, guys. So I'll put her tutorial down below. But just go over there. If you're not subscribed to her, please subscribe. She's an awesome crafter. So sweet. Always sharing projects and everything. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. And thanks again for everything, and thanks for your well wishes and things. I really appreciate it. And I'll try to get another video up as soon as I can. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.